Good morning everyone, welcome back to Question a Day. Today we'll be answering the July 16th question on integration. As you can see, we have dy by dx is equal to 6x to the power of minus a half plus x times the square root of x. Now we're asked that given some initial conditions, y equals 37 at x equals 4, to find y in terms of x. Now what we're going to have to use here is our fact that an integration, so integration is the opposite, I think that's spelt correctly, of differentiation. So when we presumably differentiated this at some point in the past and obtained 6x to the minus a half plus x times root x, when we did that, we used differentiation to do that. Now I want to find out what that original function was, so I'm going to integrate, so I'm going to reverse that. So we can use our notation that y is equal to the integral, that's this big S symbol for integral of, 6x to the minus a half plus, well, if you remember from when we looked at integration last, that we can't use x times root x, as that's not just x to a certain power. Well, this is actually x to the power of 1 times x to the power of a half. So this would end up being x to the power of 3 divided by 2. And we're going to finish off by dx. Again, that means with respect to x. So we're going to integrate this function with respect to x. Okay, now let's do this integral and see what we get. So we're going to add 1 to the power of x. So this is going to become 6 times x to the power of a half, and we'll divide it by that new power of a half. And then we'll add that to, we'll raise the power here by 1, so we get x to the power of 5 divided by 2, so that's 3 over 2 plus 1, and divide that by 5 divided by 2. And we mustn't forget to add c at the end. Okay, so let's simplify this down a little bit. We get division by a half is the same as multiplying by 2, so this becomes 12x to the half. And we're going to add to this division by 5 over 2, that's multiplying by 2 over 5, so for our fraction rules, 2 over 5 x to the 5 divided by 2 plus c. Right. So now we need to think about this initial condition, well, not this initial condition, sorry, but this condition we're given, that y is equal to 37 at x is equal to 4. So this is going to help us determine the value of c. So we can set when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 37, using these initial conditions, we can say that 37 is equal to 12 times 4 to the power of a half plus 2 divided by 5 times 4 to the power of 5 over 2 plus c. We can work this out, we can put some of these into our calculators. If you really want, we could notice that 4 to the power of a half, that's the square root of 4, so that's just going to be 2. So this is 2 times 12, which is 24. This is 2 to the power of 5, which is comes to 32. So it's going to be 2 over 5 times by 32 plus c. We have our 37 on the other side. Do a little bit of rearranging. Don't have my calculator with me, but you must remember to keep that with you. So we subtract 24, we get 13 is equal to, well, this is 64 over 5 plus c, and again we can sneakily work this out. 13 times 5, I believe that is 65 divided by 5 is equal to 64 over 5. Oh, well, that's quite nice. So through rearranging this, we should get that c is equal to 1 divided by 5. So there's our final answer, that y is equal to 12 x to the half plus 2 over 5 x to the 5 over 2 plus 1 divided by 5. That was our original function, and if we just wanted to make sure that we got the right answer, we can go to our, we could take the derivative of this, see what we get, and if we get our original equation we had up here, then we know we've done it correctly. That's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow.